Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be talking about something new that may be coming to Google Messages here shortly, and that is something called RCS. And just like SMS, it is a standard of messaging that uses your Wi-Fi or data connection to send messages instead of your old-fashioned cellular connection, like what SMS uses. And there's a couple advantages to this. One, when you send pictures or videos, they don't have to be compressed as much as they do when you send them over SMS, so you get better quality pictures and videos when you're messaging. You also get iMessage-like features such as delivery reports, read reports, and you can see when the other person is typing. So if you can see here, we have the status. It says it's connected. The chat features, so using Wi-Fi or data for messaging, are available. It is on. Send read receipts are on, so the other person I'm talking to can see when I've read their message. And it will also show them when I'm typing. So when I'm sending a reply to them, it will show a little text box that basically means that I'm typing something and about to send a message. A lot of people don't really understand why that's important, but if somebody sends a message and I read it, then they, one, know I read it, and if I start replying to something and they're about to send something, they don't maybe send another question or an answer that I may be about to answer their question or something like that. So they know I'm about to say something, so they kind of hold off on their message until they see what I've sent. So it is very helpful when you're having a conversation. You also have the option here what to do if a message is undelivered via RCS. So you can resend it as an SMS or MMS if it's a picture or video. And you can have it ask, or you can have it always resend. So there's a few different things there. Now this is not available to everybody yet. You have to have the beta version of the Android Messages or the Google Messages app. You also have to have the Activity Launcher, which enables some of the RCS stuff. And you have to, like I said, you have to be on the beta of the Messages app. So there's a few different things you have to do to set this up. There are a couple videos out there on how to do this, but I'm going to show you what it looks like when you're sending an RCS message. So if I go into my messages here, I had this person set it up as well. So if I tap on this message right here, you can see that they did read it. Obviously they replied right here. So you can see right there when they read it and when they're typing. These messages are a darker blue than the regular messages, so the other messages will be a lighter blue if they are sent over SMS, as well as it's saying SMS under the message. So those are a few of the things coming to Android Messages or Google Messages on Android. Hopefully here soon. All the carriers, I think, are about to release this and kind of in agreement on it. It is one of those things that the carriers have to enable if you don't do it this manual way to get the updates rolling out in the app for it to be working for everybody. But it's a nice feature. It would definitely improve a lot of things. A lot of people are stuck on iPhones because everybody has iMessage. They all want that blue bubble. They don't want to be sending SMS messages. So if this rolls out and it will work between the two, that would be amazing. And it's something that I really look forward to coming to Android because it really improves the messaging experience. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave it down below. And as always, have a great day.